I've been stuck in this room for like 30 minutes straight, and both of my friends are literally like. And then right after, when he was done hitting me, but when he was done hitting me, he came out of the room, and then and then Ronald, technically her, you know. I swear I'm laughing like way too bad. I gotta go. But why would I do this right now? He got nothing. It's a YouTube video. Making a video? What the hell? I don't know where they went. Oh, I have to hide. Literally. I'm gonna hide like right here. I'm back. Why was my laugh like that in the beginning of the video? I was laughing. I was literally wheezing, trying to hold my laugh in. I'm just gonna let myself like heal a lot. Oh my god. Okay, so I texted her right now. Oh, she probably over. Okay, I saw her going over there, but I need to get prepared. I need to get lots of food over here. Oh, thanks, bestie, thanks. I'm like really poor. I might just like, right? There's literally nobody in here. But I saw them go. If like you look closely, I saw them go when I was going in there. I'm literally wheezing so much. Oh, hell to the no, no, no. Oh, love. I didn't even. Oh my god, my phone just. But I didn't join because I didn't join the game. I hate this girl. I'm done. I finished. She always comes to me. Hello, bye. I'm getting more food. Okay, here. Mama, mama, mama. No.